All right, when we have difference of squares, difference means subtract, squares means perfect squares. When we talk about perfect squares, we're talking about the numbers we get when we square something. So 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16, 5 squared is 25. These numbers, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, those are our perfect squares. If we subtract perfect squares, we can use a factoring rule. The rule is take the square root of the first term and you write it first in these binomials. And then you take the square root of the second term and you write it second. You stick a minus sign and a plus sign in between them. That's the rule. Okay, so in this example, the square root of 4 was 2. The square root of x squared is x, so 2x and 2x. The square root of 9 is 3, so 3 and 3. Stick a minus sign and a plus sign. Right, so if we use that rule and we write our factors, we're going to start with parentheses. We're going to have a minus sign and a plus sign. Square root of x squared is just x, so that goes first. Square root of 25 is 5. Square root of y squared is y. All right, next, start with your parentheses, a minus and a plus. Square root of 16 is 4. Square root of x squared is x. So 4x is our first term. Square root of 81 is 9. So that's our second term.